everybody, it's MarcTheGreatest, and today's video is going to be about give your gift away. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video, and let's get right into this, y'all. So today I want to talk about give your gift away, okay? So a lot of us are holding in gifts, right? A lot of us are good at certain things in life. A lot of us have certain talents in our lives, but some of us choose to keep those talents in instead of utilize and show the world what we have to offer. Okay, so I'm just here to tell y'all, don't be afraid to offer what you have to the world, because sometimes what you have to offer can help so many people. Sometimes you don't know the impact of your gift, okay? And I want y'all to know that you are special, okay? And it just takes a level of confidence to utilize this gift. Let me say that again, y'all. Some people need to hear this. It takes a level of confidence to use and utilize your gift, okay? So if you have a gift of speaking, right? Use that gift, okay? Go start events, right? Start a YouTube channel. Just start speaking in front of other people. Start being innovative with your gift, because you never know who needs your gift. You never know what God has blessed you with. Okay? So I'm just here to tell y'all, don't be afraid of giving your gift away, because your gift is special. Your gift was specifically given to you. All right? And so many of us live in fear just because we think about what other people think about us. So many people live in denial of, oh, I can't sing, or so many of us put ourselves down because we have self-sabotaging behaviors. Okay, I'm guilty of this, because there have been plenty of times where I could have done things, but I didn't do it because of the self-sabotaging behaviors that I have, right? So for a good example, if you have an opportunity and you know that this opportunity is going to help you in your career and in your life, don't mess it up by telling yourself, oh, I'm afraid to do it. And telling yourself that you are afraid, that is an ego. Let me say that again, y'all. Some people need to hear this. Telling yourself that you are afraid, that is an ego. Okay? So there's so many types of egos that are holding us back from what we can potentially become. All right? I want y'all to know this, because there's so many times in my life where I could have been way farther than I am now, but all because of my own fear, my own ego, my own self-sabotaging behaviors. I'm still where I'm at today. Okay, so I'm just here to tell y'all, don't be afraid to utilize your gift. Give your gift away, y'all. And I just wanted to make this quick video for y'all to give your gift away, because a lot of people need you. There's literally space for everybody to use their gift. Okay, so give your gift away. And that's really all I gotta say, y'all. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you really like this video, smash that like button. And also, if you want more of my content, I'll put an iCard up I'll put an iCard on the top of the screen, y'all. And I hope everybody has a great day, and hopefully you gained a lot of value out of this video. So you guys, I want to thank you guys for your time, and have a blessed day, you guys. It's MarcTheGreatest. Peace.